Hey everyone, it's Jenny, and this is my first video of 2018. I've realized it's January 11th. I've realized I have not filmed in quite a few days. So, I do have a ring light now, so hopefully this is brighter and hopefully my glasses aren't getting in the way. Planning on getting some contacts here in the future. It's something I plan on doing. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the January Ipsy bag. Most everybody knows Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription service where they send you can get skincare items, makeup, you can get makeup brushes, which I love, and it's a good way to test maybe some brands you've not ever tried, which that's one good thing about Ipsy, but that can kind of be a bad thing because sometimes it's hard to find. But I usually, all the products I get in my bag, I usually link in the description box below and the website where to find it. And of course I'll put my Ipsy referral thing, which if you click onto that, if you're not already subscribed, I get points which can be redeemed for other beauty items that they sometimes have. Okay, now let's get into a January's Ipsy Unbagging. And if I can get it open, she's sealed pretty good. And this is the bag for this month. When I first saw this, I didn't like it, but I do have to say, now that I'm looking at it in person, I really do like it. It's giving me some 80s vibes, like 80s workout vibes, which I'm totally cool with. Been working on my diet, trying to lose a few pounds before I go to Disney next month. Yes, so and this right here, the little the zipper, it has like their little strings. I think that's really neat. And the front side's got the yellow, and then the back's blue. So I do like it, and it feels nice too. It's soft, sort of a soft, plushy kind of feel. Okay. Let's see what the card says. It says, I will conquer, which I know that is right. I'm not sure how this is going to pick up. It's the first time I'm filming with this light. But it says, I will conquer, and then it says game face. So, you know, like you'll conquer, like, you know, January is all about getting fit or, you know, just making your goals, whatever you want to conquer. First up in the bag is this Purlisse, I'm not sure if I'm saying that brand right. It's a blue lotus seed mud mask and exfoliant. Gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, and smooths. A 10-minute facial. And this says it's good for all skin types and sensitive skin. So that's what she looks like. And like I said, I'm so sorry if I'm blinding you all with that light. I'm going to have to learn how to use it. So I'm excited to try this. I'm definitely gonna give it a try. I do like mask, mud mask. I maybe will do them, you know, once a week, once every 2 weeks. I don't do them all the time, but I do love sheet mask. Next up is it's a liquid lip from, is this Kokie? Yeah, Kokie Professional Kissable Liquid Lipstick in the shade Desire. So far so good. I kind of like this and like the color. See if it has a smell, because some liquid lipsticks, they kind of smell like vanilla cake. Some of them smell too chemically. This doesn't really have a smell. Now let's watch and see what color she looks like. And I do like that. Looks like a pretty pink shade. Desire, the shade name. So I'm excited to try that. You know, it's opaque pink. Test it out, see if I like it. Next up, this is the thing I think I was most excited to get. It's by the Balm, B-A-L-M, Balm Cosmetics. The Balm Cosmetics, I can't talk. And it's the Mary Lou Luminizer, which, like I said, I'm trying to work with this ring light. And I've heard this is like a holy grail for some people, and it's a good size pan. I will have to say, I'm not sure how well it's going to pick up, but that's a good size pan. It's better than even the blush pans that they send. And I'm going to swatch that. And I know it's not going to pick up on camera, but it does look very pretty. See how well it layers. I know with fair skin, sometimes these more golden highlights, it's hard for it to pick up my skin. But I think this is going to be good. I hope anyways. And another item is from Vasanti. It is the Kajal Waterline Eyeliner Intense Black. I'm all about some black eyeliners. I already know in my January Love, Hate, and Appreciate, I do have a black eyeliner that is going to be in the hate-its. Because it is no good. And then let's see how... Oh yeah, that looks good in black. I like it. I like it. I can always use a black eyeliner. That's always a good makeup item to get, I think. I mean, I have a bunch of eyeliners, but I can always use more. And then last but not least, this is how it came in the bag, but I don't think there's been any spillage. It is by Pretty Woman nail polish. I've used some of their nail polishes. I do like them. Pretty good formula. I know that these are phthalate-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, petrochemical-free, GMO-free, triclosan-free, I've not heard of that one, and vegan. So, it's supposed to be pretty good for nail polish. And this is the color, and I do really like this color. What is the shade name of this? This is called, oh yeah, it's on the top of the box. This is called Johnny's Angels. Johnny's Angels. And I think I may wear this polish while I'm at Disney. I may test it out beforehand to see how it wears. But I do like it. It's a very pretty color. It's almost more reminiscent of a spring color than, you know, a winter color. But I definitely like it. So I have to say, I'm pretty pleased with what I got in my Ipsy for January. Super excited to try the Mary Luminizer. This looks pretty promising as a liquid lipstick. Can always use a good black eyeliner. Super excited to try the nail polish. And this mud mask, I'm excited to try it. So I have to say, January was a win. So I'm super excited to see what everybody else got in their Ipsy bags. Let me know, did you love your bag? Did you hate your bag? Did I get one of the items you wanted to get? Just let me know. Comment below. I love reading the comments. So make sure you comment. Make sure you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I do have more videos I plan on putting up here on the YouTubes. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.